So let's explore more on brand kits. When you're on Canva, just go to this icon here, this hamburger icon, and then you scroll down and then you see brand, select that, and you see brand templates and brand kits. So basically, brand kits are what you use to make your design. Let's say you're using Canva for your organization or for your brand, and you just want a place where you can have everything that has to do with your brand, your logo, your text, your font, everything. So right here in this brand kit, this is the brand kit for Techy and Incubator Foundation and the TTI Foundation. So if I click on the TTI Foundation brand kit, you see that it has different variations of logos. It has if you scroll down, you see it has the Techy Train Incubator Foundation colors, the color pack palette. It also has the font, different font types just for the brand. Here, the brand voice can also be set, but it's not set here. These are also photos. So what this simply means is that when, let's say for example, I'm a social media manager for the Techy Train Incubator Foundation and I'm using Canva to design. If I go to, let's say, I click on this plus sign and I want to create an Instagram post, and I want to create an Instagram post for Techy Train Incubator Foundation. All I need to do is to down here. You see brand, and I'll see the logo here. So I don't need to start uploading the logo or finding the logo in my drive or having so many things in my images. Everything is in the brand kit. I want to change the color of the background. I'll go to color and I can see the color palette here. These are the brand colors. I can choose the one that I want to use easily without coming right here to find the color code and all of those things. So for you to set your brand kit, you go to brand kit, and you just scroll down and you click on this brand kit here, and here you can upload your logo just like how we saw in the TTI Foundation. That's basically how the brand kit was created. You upload your logo here. You add your color palette by selecting this plus. So you can either choose the color manually or you can add the color code here to add your brand color. It can be a gradient color or solid color. So let's say we want to add black, and you see black is there. If we go again and we want to add this green, you see the green is here. So the more you click on this plus, it will keep adding. Now for you to add fonts, you have to have Canva Pro. Like you see, the crown again comes with Canva Pro. So if you want to add specific fonts you want to be using for your design, for your brands, you have to have Canva Pro to do that. To also set the brand voice, you need Canva Pro. To add photos, you need Canva Pro. To add graphics and icons, you need Canva Pro as well. But if you have Canva Pro, all you need to do is to select this icon here. Just simply means you should upload. So upload your photos, upload your graphics, upload your icons, just upload your type in your brand voice here, and that's pretty much it. That's how to create your brand kit. So if you don't have Canva Pro, you can go ahead and add your, okay, you can't even add your logo right here because it's Canva Pro as well. I didn't take note of that. So you can only add your pictures. Sorry, you can only add your brand colors for free. Every other thing you need to have Canva Pro. So if you have Canva Pro, go ahead and explore the brand kit.